So a quick roadside stop over here for a little Sweden shot. No, Sweden is of course more than only nature, but I hope you can see it in the back here. There's a really nice house with snow-covered trees around it, and this house just really suits this environment. So I just really seem to like it. I don't know what it is. I think it's power lines running towards it. A little bit disturbing maybe, but yeah, I just like the shape of the house in this environment. So quick shot here next to the road, and I hope this one works. So we stopped at another nice spot over here. This is a forest area, but these trees are all exactly the same. It's those trees with small branches on the side covered in snow, so you can take a real abstract shot of straight trees. And the only thing I'm doing is moving a little bit to the left and to the right to find the right balance where most trees are separated from one another. And sometimes when you move to the left a little bit, more trees appear, and when you go to the right, some trees intersect with another. So that's the only thing you have to do. Just move to the left, move to the right, and make sure that all those trees are aligned in the right way. So yeah, I'm gonna take this shot, and hopefully it will work out the way I have it in my mind as a real abstract shot. Finally, we managed to find a location where we could walk away from a parking lot. There's a really small trail over here heading down the hill, and it should be towards a waterfall. So that's something we haven't seen before over the past few days. So yeah, very nice, and it's also very nice to walk and hike a little for for difference, you know. Every day the same things is it's not nice, but until now I've got the feeling that every day here in Sweden was different. We found different things, different settings, yeah, just really cool. So hopefully we will find a nice location here at the end of this forest also, but it looks just really promising. So there should be a frozen waterfall down here, but these steps that I'm looking at right now, they are completely frozen here. And it's almost undoable to get down, and these steps are actually doable, but the first part there, and if I look at the last part, the steps aren't cleared, so it's one giant slope of ice, and I tried to walk through the side over there, but it's absolutely impossible to do it. So I always have this rule that no shot is worth getting injured for, and I think I have to apply that rule here. So I can hear the waterfall, so it's down those steps there. I think it's just too dangerous, so I'm not gonna do it. So I'm gonna try to get back up here, which is gonna be quite a challenge. But I'm not going further down. So unfortunately, no frozen waterfalls, but we did get that nice treetop snow images here. Absolutely amazing! What a place! What a place here! So when you're in Arctic conditions like this, make sure to wear appropriate clothing. You know, I have 2 layers of trousers on, special snow boots, jacket, 2 sweaters, my hat here, and of course my gloves. And I got these gloves from Fl36. If you're interested in having some photography gloves, make sure to look at their websites, because these are really good photography gloves. You can get your thumb and your other finger out of these gloves, which makes using the camera real easy. And you can also put in heat pads in these gloves, so your hands won't get that cold. So yeah, I got these to test them out, and I'm really satisfied. I'm not saying that because I got these, but just because I really am satisfied about these gloves. So there's a link in the description if you're interested. We have all kinds of photography gloves. This is the Tinden. But you also have them for in summertime or even in Arctic winter. There's one above this one that's even for more colder situations. So if you're interested, have a look. There's a link in the description. So Walter and I had a little chat, and we decided to go back to the car. It's too dangerous to go down there, so I think it was a good decision to go back up. There's a group of people from Latvia behind me, and they did the same thing. So I think it was the only wise decision. I did take some more shots along the way, but stunning location, absolutely stunning. I only discovered this by walking into a tourist office here in a little town near the road, and they advised me to go here because of the frozen waterfalls, but this forest was already absolutely worth it. So yeah, really happy with those shots. Might put up the drone here for a minute, not sure yet, but I'll see if I'm at the car. If I put the drone up, you'll see the images after this. So we just spotted a nice island in the middle of this lake, but it's completely inaccessible due to all the forests next to the road. But Lucienne and Jose were kind enough to lend us their snow boots. So we mounted those underneath our boots, and right now we are getting through the jungle here towards the side of the lake. Hopefully we can take some nice images here that we haven't seen from the roadside. So yeah, let's have a look. So we made it to the edge of this little lake. It's not that far from the car through this forest. And I just see a nice panel here of two islands in the back with a lot of snow coming down. And I had to manually focus, because if you're shooting a panel, every now and then it focuses on the snow and not on the subject. So I put everything in manual and then shot this panel from left to right. And I think it will be a very moody black and white image. So hopefully this worked out, and it only works with that snowfall to create that atmosphere that I like to get in my images. So yeah, hopefully it works. If it did, then this is the shot. After the last shot, we got back in the car and drove a little bit further south when we noticed a couple of reindeer standing in the middle of a giant frozen lake, and it just looked really tranquil and epic with a mountain as backdrop. And we quickly got out of the car, put on the snowshoes and walked to the edge of the water. And it all happened in a rush, so it didn't record many videos materials here. But these are the shots of those three reindeer, and they just looked really epic. So from a snowy Sweden, this is the end of today's video. What an epic day, especially those reindeer in the end here on the ice. I couldn't film it because it was all split-second decisions and rushing out of the car, but what an amazing experience that was. We just stopped at this spot that we were earlier this week and got some couple of nice moody shots of those trees with some islands, the river here in front. But all in all, an incredible day, and yeah, there's still 2 days left here in Sweden, so I thought we've seen it all, but every day surprises us with new shots. So no idea what tomorrow is going to bring. Yeah, the plan is to go a little bit more back east towards Stockholm tomorrow. Yeah, but we have no idea yet, so you will see that in the next video, hopefully. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget, please push the thumbs up button. and leave a comment. You will massively help this channel to grow. And there's a subscribe button underneath this video. If you push that and select all on the notification bell, you will get a message when I release my next video. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.